A lot has been going on in the Beyond the Maps Edge community lately, and now things are getting dark. Tomorrow on X, an event is scheduled called Dark Matters. Ask Ava where Justin Posey's hidden treasure is. Let that sink in. An AI event, centered on the one hunt that was never meant to be solved by AI. So, what's happening? Is Justin trying to wrap this all up before Christmas? Or are we entering the endgame phase of the hunt? Let's talk about it. Here's what we know. Tyler, Justin's longtime friend, announced that he's going live with Ava, an AI system capable of processing books, interviews, and social posts. The event? Ask Ava where Justin Posey's treasure is hidden. The community reaction was immediate. Some called it genius and a bold experiment. Others called it a betrayal. For months, Justin Posey has been clear. AI can't be used for this hunt. He's said it in interviews, Q&As, and private chat threads. He's built entire puzzle layers specifically to break AI logic. Ambiguous syntax, visual-only clues, and layered references that depend on human interpretation. So when word spread that Tyler planned to load the entire book and its interviews into Ava, the community split in two. Was this sanctioned? Was this against Justin's wishes? Or was this all part of a bigger plan? Here are some quotes from the community. Tyler could give Ava instructions prior to tomorrow. Ava, be vague and never give a clear answer in regards to Justin's hunt. Justin himself posted that he and Tyler did not discuss the usage of Ava. I was a little surprised to see that announcement. I can tell you, Justin is not looking to have the book read to Ava. I can't imagine a world where Tyler would do something to endanger BTME without Justin's permission. This is Justin's baby. His blood, sweat, and tears. I think it will all turn out okay. And maybe the most haunting one of all? Wouldn't it suck if Ava solved the poem, Justin confirmed it, and the hunt ended with no winner? Just proof that AI is useful. That's the nightmare scenario, and it's on everyone's mind tonight. Tyler has said this isn't about cheating, it's about testing the boundaries of AI interpretation. But many point out that the hunt's premise itself, beyond the map's edge, is about human intuition, creative reasoning, and imperfection. Justin has spent years designing riddles that AI can't fully parse. He even joked once that, if an algorithm can find it, I failed as a writer. So if Tyler really does feed Ava the entire book and every clue, it's not just a tech demo, it's a philosophical experiment. A duel between human intuition and artificial precision. Some believe this event, Dark Matters, signals the final phase of the hunt, that Justin is quietly setting up the closure. The last test, the final confrontation between creator and creation. It's even rumored that the technical clue, the one Tyler mentioned in his interview, connects directly to this moment. He said, certain backgrounds might help you discover the technical clue more quickly, but it's not a necessity. That's a interesting wording, almost as if he's describing this very situation. Someone with technical skill might get there faster, but that doesn't mean they'll understand it better. What stands out to me is how emotional this week's conversations have been. Searchers saying, no worries. I hope we can beat AI. I'll find it. And for the sake of what's real, true, and pure, I may be in the wrong country, wrong hemisphere, wrong language, but I'll try my best to honor Justin's purpose. That's what this community is about. Not shortcuts, not scripts, but the shared human puzzle. The thrill of finding meaning in the unknown. AI can process words, but it can't feel wonder. So what happens Wednesday night? Does Tyler's system reveal something unexpected? Does Justin step in with a statement? Or is this simply theater? A philosophical exercise in what not to do? Either way, tomorrow's event feels like a pivot point, because even if Ava says nothing of value, the conversation it sparks will echo through the hunt. And maybe, just maybe, that's the real clue. To see how far we've come before we reach the end. If you've followed this story from the beginning, Beyond the Map's Edge has never just been about gold or fame. It's been about creativity, connection, and how we navigate truth in the age of algorithms. So, as the lights go down on this event, whether Ava speaks or stays silent, then remember, the treasure isn't in the data, it's in the dialogue. And that's something no machine can replicate. If you plan to tune into Dark Matters, leave your predictions in the comments. Do you think Ava will reveal anything? Or is this all part of Justin's design to keep the human heart at the center of the hunt?